Let's pop it out. So the Sonic Fusion 2.0. Okay, so let's take it out of the box because we showed you what a regular Waterpik looks like. Now let's show you what the Sonic Fusion looks like. And this is one of the coolest products that I've ever tried because it just saves counter space. Instead of having to have two, so instead of having to have a Waterpik and a toothbrush, electrical toothbrush, it combines it into itself. So let's see what you get inside. First, here is the actual unit. It comes in a travel case, and here is your unit. This is the actual Sonic toothbrush along with the flosser and the toothbrush. Here is your tank. So when you pull it out, you'll get your tank. And inside that tank, you also have your attachments as well as your Sonic Fusion 2.0 instructional manual. So we'll put that here. We'll put that here. And our tank box is like, hey, I got a mind of my own. I can make my own decisions. Okay, I understand Sonic Fusion. I understand. Now, I love how this version, the 2.0, I love how it's constructed. It comes out looking really nice. You can see on the build here, they have a really nice solid finish. No longer this type of dial. They've added a easier to grip dial here. So you can see there is a metal, and this has no clicking. It's just a really solid, well, you know, has some resistance to it. So you can't just switch between numbers easily. You have to put some effort into it. Now let's look at what's inside. Here is your tank, and how do you utilize that tank? It's just much similar to your, it's very similar actually to your Waterpik, except it's gonna be a little bit different. This is your tank. You're gonna be taking out your unit, which is, take it out, pop it open. Here is your unit. And this is that, this is going to be a toothbrush that has Sonic Care built into it. Again, multiple modes, battery lasts a long time. But, if you pop this in here, suddenly it's going to be a Waterpik. So if you detach this, this is just a Sonic Care toothbrush. You could take this with you. You can use it as a travel toothbrush. Add water. We're going to add water into the tank. So adding water, we're just going to add water here. You can see us adding the water. And now that I've attached it, I can detach it. It is no longer connected here. And I can use it as a brush or a flosser. So brush or floss. You have your various speeds here. So we're going to use it as a brush. So let me show you that just by moving this over. And brush, I'll activate it. That just means there's no water coming out. It's just a Sonic Care toothbrush. So I could use it on my teeth, like I could put it in my mouth and then you know, this is just brushing. Now, if I press floss or if I want to change the speed, I could just press speed. This is on a second speed and that's on your first speed. Now, if I want to use it with floss, I can, and when I press floss, watch, you guys see the water is spraying now. You guys see the stream? Hey, RG Long Investment. You guys see that water action? So you can see it is flossing. And we are back to toothbrush, flossing. Toothbrush, flossing. And this is on level 6, so let's turn it on level 2. So this is more of a gentle floss. You can see this is more of a gentle floss right there. And you can see the bubbles that it makes. This is super easy. Let me show you what you do. So when you're done, this all goes right back into place so easily. Watch. That's it. That's it. If I want to take this to travel with me, I can just take the entire toothbrush by detaching this. I detach this by pressing the button here. So you would detach that. It's going to pop out. Now I can leave this in. And now I just have this as a toothbrush. You guys see it? Toothbrush. Waterpik. Waterpik. Toothbrush.